Guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can become an independent contractor and make up to $50 or probably even more per day and work from anywhere you want to. Alright, if this sounds like a good one for you, then you want to stick around and see this whole video. We're going to get started on it here right now. First of all, though, I want to get the to-dos out of the way for people that are new to my videos. If this is your first time here to my videos or my channel, my name is Kevin Lehner with the Freedom Motivator channel that you see on your screen here. And if this is your first time and you haven't yet subscribed, well, reach down there below the video right now while we're talking about it. Hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell right to the right of it there so that you are the first to know when I upload new videos and you can come and take advantage of it right away. Alrighty, well, with that out of the way, let's go ahead and get started in on this video here today, guys. This is going to be an online job type of thing. This is for folks that are interested in not doing any kind of marketing or anything on their own, not interested in affiliate marketing or anything like that. They just want to be able to make a good supplemental or a good living online. So what you want to do is you want to come over here to this site right here. This site here is called Creative Jobs. You can see it right up here in the address bar. It's CJ Inc. or INC.info. Come over here to this site right here. And this site says Creative Jobs, and we have a seat for you. You can find all types of different jobs that you can get involved in, and you can do more than one. I'm going to show you one that you can do here and how to do this all for free, and it's very easy. You can see right here it shows they got market research, typing jobs, proofreading jobs, translation, advertising, and online teaching jobs as well. And if you come up here to the top and we put our mouse on career right here, guys, you can see that they're all these same things. Online survey jobs, online typing, offline typing jobs, and online teaching job, proofreading job, content writing jobs, ad publishing and language translation, and even medical transcription type of jobs as well. So yeah, once you come to this site, and you can see here it has some testimonies of other people that have gotten work through this particular website right here and are very happy with it. And it says right here, as you can see, the online job benefits here, guys, is work from anywhere, any place, anytime. If you want to become location independent and work from anywhere in the world, or perhaps just want the flexibility to work for yourself, then this is the portal or website for you. And it says here you can earn money as much as you want without investment. That's right, guys. This is 100% free to get involved with, and it is available from all over the world. And it says the CJ Info is one of the few places where you can start with $0 and work your way up to a full-time income. Well, guys, that is pretty much about this site here. Now, I wanted to point out one job here for you. As you can see, there are several here that you can get involved in, but let's pick on proofreading here today just to show you a little more about this, how this works. And you can see right here on proofreading, if I click on learn more here, it'll take us over and we can see a little bit more about that particular one. I mean, there's many others. Like I showed you, you can get involved with as many of these as you want to and make a really good living off of this site, guys. So what is proofreading? Here it talks about proofreading. Well, proofreading just involves correcting grammar. You know, grammar such as punctuation, spelling, alignment, typing, font, style, and other details, and so on and so forth. So now, if you're not real good at correcting grammar or any kind of mistakes or anything like that in writing, stick around. I'm going to show you how you can get this done for free, and it's very easy for you, so you don't have to do it yourself. Alrighty, so let's continue on here. It tells you a little bit about the job nature, but what I want to show you is right here is the job rate. You see right here, as a proofreader, you can earn $5 to $10 per page or per 1,000 words, and depending on the work nature and accuracy levels. And it says right here that you can earn $5 per page, and after proving 10 files per day, your earnings will be about $50 per day right there, guys. You see that. But it says right here, if you do this for only just 25 days, you did this for 25 days, then your monthly earning, guys, would be $1,000 $250 just doing the proofreading jobs off of this site alone, not counting anything else that you might get involved in any of those other categories. Okay, now what the thing here is they will pay you via PayPal. As we look down here, it says right here, you will be paid directly by our client and partner companies, and once you reach the threshold limit of $25, receive your earning by PayPal, check, or online money transfer, and payments are made to you on the 15th of every month if your earning does not cross the threshold in a particular month or whatever. So it's free to join, and what you want to do is come down here, guys, and they will also, I think they do also have bank transfer on this too, to get your money that way. And what you want to do then is you want to come down here, click where it says apply for the job right here on this button here. And when you do that, it brings you over here, and you can see there's a lot of ads on these pages too, guys. Just ignore those. And it says right here, CJ Inc. provides the stepping stones that enable you to create your optimal career path here. And it tells you a little more about it and then how to apply. And you click on download the application form right here. And that brings us down here. If we scroll down, you can see that the registration form is right here, guys. It's just you can fill it out. It asks you for you're applying for select a job. And like I said, you guys, you can do more than one. I'm just showing you the proofreading job today in here, but you can come over to this site and see and apply for all of these if you wanted to, if you're capable of doing some of these other things here. So for the proofreading, you want to click on that, and then you want to put in your name and your email. if you're going to get paid by PayPal, I'd put your PayPal email address in there. If you don't have an account at PayPal, it's free and easy to create one, guys. Just go to paypal.com and then sign up for a free personal account. I mean, you could get a business account if you want, but the personal account will be enough, and just use the email address that you use to sign up with PayPal. You use it on this site right here, and then you want to put in your date of birth, select your gender, marital status, put in a contact number, the country, and then you can tell here, put in whatever your professional is. If your profession status is current, put employed, unemployed, freelancer, or whatever. I'd recommend putting in employed and freelancer. Check those two boxes right there. That will help you get more jobs here in the proofreading category here. And then here, what hours you're available to work. I would check the 10 to 5 and the 6 to 10 and make a whole day out of it. That way you'll get jobs and you can make more money working those hours or whenever a job comes in to you. So I check those two right there. And then it says, are you comfortable working with one company or multiple companies? Guys, I would recommend that you choose multiple companies here. That way you'll get more work and be able to make more money. And it says here that your best way to receive your earnings is either by PayPal, electronic funds transfer. Like I said, they will probably also transfer if you have a bank account. You can set that up, or you can choose by check mailed to your house, but usually PayPal is probably the easiest way to go about that. And then you want to click down here and read the little details here of the terms and conditions and things. Check this box right here, and then put in your signature, which is your digital signature. Just type your name in there and then click submit, and then right away you should begin to get some proofreading jobs coming in to your email address. All right, and you'll even probably show them up here when you get logged in to your back office, and you'll be able to find some there as well. But let's say you get a job doing proofreading. So how are you going to do this? You're not real good at grammar, or punctuation, or text checking, or even capitalization, any kind of grammar things. Well, I've got you something right here. You want to come over here to this site right here, guys. You can see right here, it's called CLICKBANK.com. It's right up here in the address bar. CLICKBANK.com. This site here, it'll check the grammar in seconds. It's just a matter of clicking here, or you can check a demo video and click right here, and you can load your document right up into this site and paste it right in here, and then click continue, and it will automatically check and show you all the grammar mistakes and correct them for you. And then you just simply copy that information and bring it back to Creative Jobs and give it back to the company that gave you the job through this particular site. And then also, if you need another site that you can do this with, you can also use this site right here, guys. It's called Grammarly.com. It's Grammarly, Grammarly.com, as you see there. And this site right here will also check your grammar and for your punctuation mistakes and things like that for people. And you can use this site to do this as well. Both these sites will do the job for you, and you don't have to do any of the work. And you just simply give the form back to the people, or the text back to the people that you got this job from on Creative Jobs, and then you just collect your money. Sit back and collect your money into PayPal. You could probably do these jobs in less than minutes, guys. I would imagine just a few minutes, and then get paid pretty quickly through PayPal or bank transfer, or whatever you choose. Guys, that's the video I had for you today. If I was you, I'd come and get involved in quite a few of these different things. If you can do these other things, you can do all this and even make more and more money doing that as well. Guys, if you like this video, reach down in this method and this site today, reach down and give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there and click that notification bell. And also, if you have any comments or questions about this, well, just leave them down below, and I'll get back with you on that as soon as I can. And if you want to see my #1 recommended affiliate marketing business, where you can watch a free video presentation that will talk to you about how to be a high-ticket affiliate marketer, well, you want to click down there in the top of my description where it says mentorwithkev.com and come over and watch a free video presentation that is available to you right there. Alrighty, guys, well, I'm going to let you go with that, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so on the next exciting money-making video. You guys take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye now.